Welcome to your manifestation meditation. You can find a nice tall seat or you can lie down, whatever is more comfortable for you. But keep a soft gaze if your eyes are open, preferably keep them closed if you feel comfortable. And let's begin. With your eyes closed or open, just start to visualize what you desire. What do you want out of this world? Now see it in front of you. Now ask the world for this. Ask the world to deliver what you desire. Now notice and accept that you are fully worthy of this desire and this wish. Tell yourself, I am worthy of blank. Fill in the blank. You attract blank. Things that start to come in line with what you desire naturally flow towards you. Now, still visualizing your desire, imagine that you're stepping in and becoming and obtaining what you desire. Getting closer, and that the world is for you and it wants to give you what you desire. What you're seeking is seeking you. Now, start to erase any limiting beliefs you have about why you don't have what you desire. Those are not true. Say those are not true, whatever they are. Say to yourself and the universe, I am worthy of blank. I am meant to have blank. And start to imagine that your desires are pulling you towards you, and you are pulling them towards you as well. Imagine that it's a magnet. Your desires are magnets and so are you, and you guys are magnetic towards each other, pulling into one. As you feel yourself becoming closer to your desires, enjoy the journey of getting them. Take a moment just to look around you in this visualization and notice all of the people who are for you in this world and all of the situations that are for you and all of the lessons that are serving you in order to get your desires. Take a moment to close your eyes and breathe it in. Noticing it's not just the destination, it's the journey. Being happy with what you have now, on the way to getting what you desire. Now imagine your desire, see it so clearly, be very clear of what you want. Add in the details. Next, you're welcoming into this place of whatever you want. Step in. It's welcoming you back. How do you feel? Imagining that you're receiving whatever you desired before, you have it now. How does it feel? How are you acting? Who's around you? What are you wearing? Take a moment just to really enrich yourself and embody this moment. Then gently open your eyes and notice that you are on your way to your desires. Namaste.